Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. So is my screen and my voice clear? Yes, you can just show your thumbs up, everyone. Okay, thanks for updating. Yes, so soon we are starting with our session. Okay, everyone check that your names are mentioned in your Zoom profile and your camera is on so that you can show me your work. Yes, we will wait for a minute and then we will start. Okay, so we are here for a special Holi session. So I hope you all are ready with your materials and you are excited. Let me know if you have any query regarding materials. Okay, if you don't have any material, you can use the alternate. Okay, not to worry. We are going to make a nice and colorful painting today. So I will be first showing the materials and then we will start. And after this session, do share your work with me. I will be also sharing its recording. So you can follow that and you can make it later also. Okay. So let's start, everyone. I will just tilt the camera. So everyone's screen is clear. Drawing is clearly visible. Yes. Okay. So we are going to make this painting today. Before that, let's see the materials. You can just go through. I will be using A4 size drawing book. Okay. Keep a pencil for drawing. Keep a scale with you, any size, big or small. Then we need painting brushes. Number 6 or number 8 you can keep. Any round brush which is available. Okay. Then watercolors. I will be using these watercolors. You can use any. We just need vibrant colors. So just check that you have. You can also use poster colors for adding more shades. Keep a newspaper with you, tissue paper or a cloth, and water container, permanent marker, and a straw. If you don't have a permanent marker, take normal sketch pen, okay? And you can use a straw or any pen. You can just remove its refill. We'll be using it for blowing the color, okay? That's all. Yes, there now you can use that CD marker too. Any doubt, anyone with materials? Those who don't have permanent marker, you have to do that step afterwards once your watercolor is completely dried. Okay. So can we start now? Everyone is ready? Okay, Clavia. Any size of drawing book you can take? So we need to hold our book in a horizontal manner. Okay. So we are showing a face. We are adding eyes, nose, and lips. Okay. So we want our pencil drawing to be perfect. Okay. So do it slowly, follow the steps, don't rush. Okay. We'll be maintaining normal speed. If you have any doubts, you can mention it in the comment section. Okay. So then I can solve it immediately. So let's start. So now we are going to draw eyes first. Okay. So we need pencil and scale. You have to follow the measurements which I'm telling, okay? So you will get it perfect and all our work will be similar, okay? Get ready. Prefer using a scale, everyone. Now, the eye part, we need to draw it slightly up from the center, okay? It's not perfectly in the center, it's slightly up, okay? So let's first draw the reference line. Just observe everyone, holding the book in a horizontal manner, taking the center first. This is the center of my page, slightly up, from the center. I'm going to add a straight line measuring 15 centimeters, okay? 0 to 15, like this. I hope everyone is using pencil. Don't use sketch pen now. You can start slightly up from the center. See, this is the center of the page, slightly up. If you want the measurement from top, it's 8 centimeters. From top, 8 centimeters. Okay, Clavia, you can use any paper or anything which you can use as a scale, but you have to use it, then only you will get it perfect. Or any protector if you have, you can use that. Everyone update me once you are completed. Or you can just show me. Yes, Devna. Yes, Anaya, that is okay. 7.5. Okay, Sanvi, Mishika. Everyone check their names. Yes, correct, Shera. I hope everyone is holding their book in horizontal manner. Okay, so now we have added this reference line for adding eyes. Okay. Yes, Kuber, correct. Ayush. Yes, let's move forward now. Done, Vanya. Now, the eye part, let's see its measurement. From left side, from the end of this line, from 0 to 5.5, we have to mark 0 to 5.5 from both the sides, like this. 0 to 5.5, mark this dot. This is 5.5. Okay, both should be similar. 5.5 from both the sides. Yelling it, Shami, Eklavya, Agrata, Vedika, Parth. Yes. Yes, Vedika. Tanushri, Sachi, Ronav, Krishnansh. Any doubt till here, anyone? Yes, Ron, Kuber, Agrata. 5.5 from both the sides. I'm just erasing the measurement. Okay. Now let's start with the eye part. Everyone just observe. We want the shape to be perfect. Okay. So this much the eye part is going to be. These two dots are the reference. Okay. Now see, I'm taking these two dots first, adding a slight curve on this part like this. Slight curve. Add it. We will go step by step. Okay. So do it slowly. Yes, Vedika. Shambhavi, Ayush. Ananya got it? Yes, Kuber. That two reference dot, we have added a small curve. Okay. See, for this part, we have added the curve. Yes, Ishwar, I will just quickly repeat for you. From top, you can take 8 centimeters, add 15 centimeter line. Okay. Then for the eyes, 5.5 on left and 5.5 on right. Okay. Then we have added this curve. Now let's make the shape. We'll be using two curved lines, one on top and one down. Let's add it now like this and join it to this dot. Make a nice curve, everyone. Yes, you can, Shara. Similarly, I'm adding down. Two curve lines. Come on, add these two and then show me. Very good, Vedika. Vedika, just make this end slightly pointed. Do it slowly, everyone. First, draw it lightly. Once you feel that it's perfect, you can make it dark. Okay. So you don't need to erase. Very good, Agrita. Very good, Eklavya, Devna, correct. I'm just quickly repeating the part. First, we have added this curve. Then a big line. Join it here. Similarly down like this. Yes, Anaya, Prerna, Arya, just make this end pointed. Got it, Agrita, Tanushri, Vanya, Shambhavi. Yes, everyone show me the shape once you are done. Yes, Mishika, perfect. Vallari, correct. Vanya, correct. Yes, Arya, Sanvi, Ayush. Very good. Vedant, Devna, Parth. Okay. Now in the same way, we have to draw it on left side. Let's follow the step again. Now start from top, a curved line. And join it at the end. Come on, you can start with the left side. Make its end pointed. No, Eklavya, let it be. We will erase it afterwards. Agrita, make this end pointed for the left one. Slightly check this line. Vanya, well done. Good work, Vedika. Yes. Correct, Kuber. Prerna. Very good. Slow. Vallari, Mishika. Take your time. Good, Shambhavi. I'm repeating this part. Then this curve line. Make its end pointed. Yes, you can erase the line now. This line. The reference line you can erase now. Make it clear. Make your lines clear now. Okay, in this way. Any difficulty, anyone? Got this shape? Yes, Anaya. Danshera, Ishwar, Anurag, Swarali, Prerna, correct, Devna? Can we move forward, everyone? Just show your thumbs up if you're ready. Okay. Got it, Ron? Okay, everyone. Got it, Lakshmi? Let's move forward. Now, under this curve line, we need to add one more curve by leaving very small space like this and join it in this way. Okay, for both, you can add it. Leave very small gap, not much. Afterwards, we will be adding lashes on this part. Just check that while drawing, both are looking similar, okay? Very good, Arya. Valerie. Okay. Now we are going to add eyeball, okay? Check that it's exactly in the center. Let's start. Exactly in the center, touching both the lines. Nice circle we have to add. Bigger size. Touching both the lines. Okay, so while adding the circle, you can first add a curve like a C, alphabet C curve. Okay, then in opposite way, you will get a perfect shape like this, touching both the lines. Very nice, Vedika. Anaya, well done. Ishwar, perfect. You can show me once you are done. Take your time. Very nice, Shera. Shera, just check that this is the circle for the right one. Yes, Arya. Arya, you're using normal pencil, right? Tanushri, correct. Kuber, very nice. Okay, Arya. Shravani, check the right one. Eyeball, make it circle. Correct, Eklavya. Vedant, nice. Mishika, Ronav, Devna, nicely done, everyone. Agrita got it. Any difficulty in this? Okay. Okay, Ishwar. Now, exactly in the center, we need to draw one more circle. Okay, Arya. See, this part is going to be black. Draw it exactly in the center. Medium size circle. Add it, everyone. We have to show the highlight also, which is going to be white like this. You can see the highlighted part. So we have to draw it slightly up, small circle for highlight on left and right side like this. This is the highlighted circle to show the shine. Okay, add it. So this part is going to be black. And this is highlighted. Very good, Ishwar. Vedika, nice. Good, Anaya. I will wait here. Okay, complete it nicely. Very nicely done, Prerna. Ron, good. Correct, Agrata. Arya, Mishika. Mishika, make the highlighted circle slightly big. Correct, Vanya. Correct, Kuber, Devna. Done, Vedika. Tanushri, Ayush. Nice. Good job. Good, Rona, Viklavya. Good, Shambhavi. Okay. Now, on top of it, add one more line like this, showing the details like this. Added these two lines. Almost done with the eyes. It's okay, Ishwar. I hope you are getting it. Yes, Shara, correct. Okay. Now the main thing, we need to add lashes. We need to use curve lines, okay? Observe. You can add extra lines, but check that it's not overlapping much. Like this, curve lines. Similarly, I'm adding for the left one, 3 to 4 lines on this part. Curve lines. Okay. Similarly, few down. Check the direction of the line. Left to right. Come on, add it and show me. Eyes are done. Very nicely done, Prerna. Very nice, Shera. Shravani, correct. Good, Vedika. Devna, nice. Kuber, nice. Arya, Tanushri. Ayush getting it. Good, Rona. Anurag, Lakshmi, Anaya, Sachi. Yes, Iklavya, I'm going to wait here. Take your time because this is the main part of our painting, so it should be perfect. Ron, well done. Parth got it. Sachi, Anurag, Krishnansh, Shambhavi. Good, Agrata. Let me know, then we can move forward. Good, Devna. Okay. Now we will start with the eyebrows. Everyone observe the shape. Everyone observe. I'm showing it on the rough paper first, then we will start. See, we have to leave some space, adding a slanting line like this, and then a curve going down. Okay, 2 lines here. We have to follow same step again. I'm leaving some space, a line, and just go around it. And as we move forward, reduce the gap between them and make its end pointed. Use another line, curve line slightly, and join it. Okay, in this way we have to draw the shape. I'm just repeating it again. Slanting line, then a curve going down, leave some space, follow this line again, reduce the gap between them and join it. Okay, let's do the step now. So from here, leave some space. You can leave 1 centimeter gap. Okay, at least 1 centimeter. Adding a line, slanting line, then a curve line going down. Come on, you can do with me. Now we have to leave some space. Another line. Using a curve, join it. Come on, do it. Make its end pointed. We have to do it in the similar way on left side. It's in the same line, okay? Check that. It's in the same line. Adding a slanting line. Then a curve. Leave some space. Follow the line. Make its end pointed. Keep doing, everyone. Very good, Kuber. Very nice, Vedika. Vedika, just check the left one. The gap is slightly more. Anaya, well done. Perfect. Ananya, Arya, Tanushri, correct. Rona. See, first we have added slanting line, then a curve going down. Leave some space, follow the line again, and reduce the gap between them and make its end pointed, and then join it. Similarly, do it on left, slanting line, curve going down, leave some space, slanting line, curve line going down, make its end pointed, and join it. Okay. Very good, Devna. Shambhavi got it. Eklavya, Parth, Vedant, Agrata, Shravani. Yes, Ishwar. Good work, Sherha. Yes, Arya. Prerna, well done. Nice work, Vanya. Vallari, well done. Nice, Ania. Okay, got this part? Everyone, can we move forward? Yes. Now exactly in the center, over here, we have to draw a circle for showing the bindi. Okay. So from this eyebrow part slightly up, add a circle, medium size, not too big, not too small. Yes. Good, Shera. Yes, Vedika. Arya, make it big. Yes, Anaya, correct. Very good, Kuber. Prerna, Devna. Very nice, everyone. We are almost done. Now we have to show the nose and lips. Okay. Let's complete the nose now. Observe the screen, everyone. Good, Ishwar, Shambhavi. So now we have to take the center. Okay. Don't draw it on left or right side. We want exactly in the center. If you want, you can do one thing. You can add a center line. Okay. Like this. So that it will be perfect. It will act as a reference. You can add a light line, standing line in the center. Very lightly, I have added it. Okay. Now observe the shape for nose. We have to draw this curve part first. See, from this level, slightly down, I'm adding a curve. Don't draw it too big. Let it be small. First curve, then on sides, like this. You can see the line is like a wavy line. Use nice curve. Everyone with me? Yes, correct, Shera, Vedika. First, we have added this curve, then these two curves on sides. Okay. Now we have to add a line like this. This part is going to be black. Okay. So you can just fill it with your pencil so that you can fill it when we are doing with the marker. And then on sides, two curves in this way. Check that both are similar. Very nicely done, Vedika. Okay, I'm waiting here. Complete and show me. Nice, Anaya. Perfectly done. Correct, Arya. Come on, Shlok. Ayush. Perfect, Vanya. Come on, Shavni. Yes, Agrata. Agrata, just make extend this curve part, slightly going inwards. Everyone check, this line is going inwards. Correct, Eklavya, Ronak. Yes. I will just show the nose part. Again, we have added a curve line like this. Next curve line in this way on sides. Join it with a curve. And then on sides, add a line just like a alphabet C. Okay, in this way. Got it, Ayush? Good, Agrita. Any difficulty, anyone? Nice, Prerna. Shlok, Anurag, Swarali, Sachi, Tanushree, Mishika, Prerna. Well done, Ron. Kuber, Shambhavi, Tanushree. Well done. Good job, everyone. Nice, Vanya, Devna. Now we have to start with the lips. Are you all ready? So as we have this reference line, which will act as a center, it will be easy to draw. See, from the nose part, I will tell you the measurement, how much space you have to leave. Leave at least 2 centimeter gap from nose. Okay, 1.5 or 2. And add a reference dot. Everyone. Are you all ready? Observe the step. Adding a curve line first, like this. Slight curve line it is. Then a line going down. Draw the lips big, okay? Similarly on right. Complete this line, then we will move forward. 1.5 we can take from nose. Very good, Arya. Check that both the sides are similar. First, we have added slight curve. Okay. Then we have to join their ends with a wavy line like this. Slight wavy, okay? Not proper straight. There is a slight curve part in the center. You can observe. Very nice, Vedika. Shera, well done. Yes, Sanvi. I will just complete the lips and then the whole part I will repeat. Okay. Very good, Rona. Perfectly done. Now the last line for the second part of our lips. Just use a curve line starting from here and join it at the end like this. Very nice, Kuber. Yes, I'm repeating the lips. See, observe. We have added curve line first. Then a line going down. Observing. Then start from left, a wavy line and join it. You can see there is a slight curve part in the center. Then use a curve line and join it. Make its end pointed. That's it. Yes, now you can show me if you are done. We are done with our pencil drawing, everyone. Very nicely done, Devna. Shlok, Arya, Vallari, Ishwar, Anaya. Got it, Parth, Shambhavi. Good, Agrata. Vedant, nice. Nice, Ananya. Tanushree, Shambhavi. Shlok. Yes, Varali. Good work, Shlok. Eklavya, Mishika, Prerna, perfect. Nice work, Vanya. Vedika, Ayush. Very nice, everyone. Good job. Donna, Farali. Yes. Now you can erase the reference line. If you haven't erased, do that. Pencil drawing part is done. Make your lines clear. And then we'll be using our permanent black marker. So are you all ready? Can we start tracing the lines? I'm using this permanent marker. Just show me which you are using. Yes, you can use a pointed tip marker as well. Yes, CD marker you can take. Any permanent marker of any color. Yes, very good, everyone. Yes, Prerna. Okay, but before using permanent marker, we need to keep newspaper or any sheet under our drawing paper because the ink is very strong. It will get marks on the next page. So we need to keep a paper in between. So don't forget, keep a newspaper or any drawing sheet. Yes, Tanushri, you can. You can use Sharpie as well. Come on, let's start tracing together. Hold your book tightly, okay? The page. Let's start. Follow each and every pencil line. Those who don't have permanent marker, you have to do this step afterwards, okay? Because the normal sketch pen is not waterproof. It will get mixed with water and it will not look good, okay? See the eyebrows, we are going to fill completely directly with our marker. So just make outline and then fill it directly. Like this, you can fill it without leaving any white space. Continue, everyone. Make border and then fill. Keep doing, everyone. Yes, Prerna. Yes, you can. Just check that it's waterproof. You can just write on your rough paper and apply some water on it to check whether it's permanent or not, and then use. This part also, we have to fill it directly with the black. Okay, Prerna, then go for it. Yes, Shera. Very good, Alia. Come on, everyone. Say this, the center circle, fill it completely. Leave the smaller one as it is, blank, okay? Because that is highlight. Keep doing. Trace the lashes as well. Those are completed. Can show me. Erase your pencil lines which are visible. Very good, Mishika, Anaya, Vedika, Swarali, Arya. Yes, Shera, you can. Very good, Swarali. Nice. Very nice, Shera. It's perfect. Color it and then show me also, okay? Nice, Sanvi, Ananya, Devna, Shlok, Ananya. I'm just erasing the lines which are visible. Just erase it lightly. Okay. Very good, Valerie. Okay, Rona, you can do it afterwards. Use normal black sketch pen. Once the painting part is done, well done, Ron. Okay. After this, you can remove your newspaper. You can see there are no marks on the next page. Very nice, Kuber. Iklavya. Beautiful, Devna. Good work, Devna. Okay, those are completed. You can get ready with the painting materials. Just add some drops of water in your watercolor cakes. So it will be easy to use. Nice work, Shambhavi. Come on, you can start activating your colors. Which watercolors you are using or any colors, just show me. Okay, good. All of you are using watercolors. Yes, Varali. Yes, Mishika. Well, very good. Okay. Anurag, you can use poster colors. Use very less amount, okay? Those are using poster colors. Valerie, use palette for removing color and then use Tanishri, yes. Okay. So now I'm just going to add few drops of water in different colors that we will use. Yes, Agrita. Rishika. Yes, Shambhavi. So we'll be using multiple colors. So I'm just adding 1 drop of water with number 6 brush. Okay. Because we want our colors to look vibrant. It should not look too light. We want good amount of color while using. All different colors. Do this step, everyone. Don't skip it. For painting, we'll be using number 6 and number 4 brush. Okay. Number 6 or number 8 you can take. And we are going to paint it together. Okay. So you have to do with me, because if watercolor gets dry, it will look like a patch. So do with me. Okay, Prerna, you can just take the different shades in your palette of your choice. Just some amount of color, postal color, and add water in it. Yes, you can use tempera colors, Kuber. Can we start, everyone? Done with this step? Yes, Mishika. Okay. Okay, Prerna. I will just explain the part, then we will start. We will be starting with the face. So you can see we have to work with all colors and we have to slightly blend them as well. Okay. It should not look like a patch. It should get blend. Okay. We will start with the light color first and then slightly the dark shades. We will first start with the yellow, then orange color, red color, then pink, violet, like that. You can change the shade if any color is not available with you. I will just show it on the rough paper by the time how we have to work. Don't go on the eyes, okay? See, first I will take light color, that is yellow, like this. Okay, don't allow it to dry. Once your patch is done, immediately wash your brush, take the next color, like this, and just go around it. Try to blend. Don't change the direction, like this. Smooth blending effect we want, like this. You can use different colors. Apply the color, wash your brush, and then try to blend them like this. Okay. In this way, we have to work with multiple colors. If you want, you can first try it on your rough paper so you can do it confidently on your final sheet. Very nice, Vedika. You have tried it? No, Valerie, you can take the color directly. You can try it, everyone. The color blending part, just try it. I'm using number 6 round brush. Very good, Tanushri. Yellow color. We are starting with a light color, okay? While blending, you have to wash your brush. Just use the wet brush to blend. Okay. If you have tried, show me. Yes, Devna, got it. Nice. Number 6 or number 8 brush, everyone. Because this part should be perfect. Let me know, then we can start. Let's start now. I'm going to first use yellow color. This is chrome yellow. Okay, chrome yellow, or you can take lemon yellow. This shade I've used. You can use any one. Keep a tissue paper or a cloth also for wiping. Okay, keep it handy. So I will apply the yellow patch first, and then we will take orange color. Do with me. I'm going to start from eyes, under the eyes. Okay, I'm first mixing the color. Now I'm starting like this. Come on, you can do with me. Check the yellow patch. Under the eyes. If you don't have yellow color, take any light shade of your choice. You can change the colors, okay? It's not compulsion to use the same which I'm using. Just follow the step. Use water as well. Okay, otherwise you will not get blending effect. Okay, doing it everyone. Don't allow it to dry. The corners. Immediately I'm taking orange color next. Okay, on this part. You can also take red or light green, dark green. Okay. Yes, immediately I'm mixing it with the yellow. As the yellow color is still wet, we will get a nice blending effect. Okay. You can make changes in this. Continue everyone. While blending, use just the wet brush. No color in it. Very nice everyone. Come on. If you feel that the partition line is still visible between the yellow and orange, take some yellow color in your brush and go on that line. It will look perfect. Okay. I will wait here. Show me once you're done. Very nice, Vedika. Just check that the strokes are smooth. The effect should look smooth. Okay. Very nice, Eklavya. Well done. Devna, perfect. Very nice. Very good, Shambhavi. So we have to do the painting part in circular shape, okay? See, like this. So do it accordingly. Now I'm going to take some red color on this part. Let me just add some more orange, which will help us for blending because this is drying now. Now I'm taking some red. Adding it over here. You can take pink as well. Continue. Getting it, everyone? Use wet brush for blending. Very small part of red I have added. Very good, Tanushree. Nice. Perfect, Vedika. Good job. Just show me how you are doing, everyone. Good, Vedant. Good, Tanushree. Shera, perfect. Good work, Shambhavi. Nice, Arya. Perfect. Yes, Eklavya. Good, Ishwar. Let it be Eklavya. It will give you a nice effect. Good, good, Shravani. Continue. Start with the yellow. Okay. Now let's move forward. Now next to red, I'm going to take pink and violet combination on this part. Okay. Before that, I'm adding some color over here. Same orange color, which will help us for blending. And then I will start with the pink part. I'm taking pink. If you don't have pink, you can take purple or you can use blue shade. Okay. Like this pink patch. You can go on the lips, no problem. As we are going to use red color afterwards on that. Don't forget to blend immediately, everyone. You can take some color. Pink color I have taken. Pink and purple and some blue I will add here. Similar colors. Try to use variety of shades, everyone. Okay. Very nice, everyone. Good effect. Don't leave any white space. I have taken purple color here, purple and pink. I'm trying to blend them. I hope everyone is doing with me. We need to work little fast, otherwise it will get dried. Continue. Adding some violet color here for dark effect. See, I'm first doing the patch and then I will try to blend them. It's okay, Mishika. Take blue. Take alternate colors if you don't have. Okay. Come on, Anurag, Lakshmi, Krishnansh. I hope you are doing. Sachi, Anurag, Shlok. Yes, Prerna, that is nice shade. Use it. Similarly, we have to do the top portion. Yes, you can, Vedika. So we have used yellow, red, pink. We have not used green and blue yet. So now we have to use that on top. Okay. So I'm going to use blue color now. Light blue or a sky blue color on this part. Try to blend slightly. You can go on the eyebrows. As we have used black color, it will be visible. Very good, Vedika. Very nice effect. I'll be using green and blue on top and slightly yellow. You can take any light green or dark green. If you have an emerald green color, use that. It goes nicely with blue. Continue, everyone. Amazing job, everyone. Keep doing. Getting it, Vanya, Ananya, Shera, Vedan. Shlok, Shambhavi. I hope everyone is doing. Using lemon yellow color on top to blend blue and green. Yes, Prerna, you can. Very nice, Eklavya. Perfect. Let it be slightly messy, okay? No worries. It's going to look perfect once it is completed. Update me that you are done. Then we will start with the next step. Very good, Vedika. Vedika, just try to make the shape slightly oval or a circle. Which part, Ishwar? Here, blue, green, and yellow color. I'm waiting here. Let me know once you are done. Then we will start the next part. Very nicely done, Tanushri. Okay, Ishwar, just observe here. I have taken emerald green. Okay, next to it, I have taken some lemon yellow on top. Immediately, it will get blend because the color is still wet. Everyone, my voice is audible? Okay. Very nice, Arya. And then, Ishwar, I have added blue color. Like this. Blend it immediately. Move your brush in circular motion. It will get blend. Very good, Mishika. Ishwar, take light green. Okay, everyone, can we move forward to the next step? Now allow it to dry. You can see as we are using these watercolors, these are powder based. So you can see the black lines of our marker are getting slightly blurred. There is a light layer on it. We'll be using our permanent marker afterwards again on it to make it bold. It should look clear that we will do it. So now paint the circle with red. I'm taking small size brush here, number 4, and taking red. Use good amount of color. Mine is completely dry. If your painting is still wet, you can take a newspaper under your hand and then do. Okay. See, eyes are the important part. There we have to use 3 colors. So we have to do it together. Let me know. Very good, Vedika. So now for eyes, we'll be using brown color. See, for adding dark effect, we'll be using dark brown, then this normal brown and yellow ochre. These three colors we'll be using. Observe, I'm showing one, just observe. Taking dark brown color first. If you don't have dark brown, you can take normal brown shade and yellow combination. See, from top, just half of the part, I'm filling it with dark brown. Only this much part with dark brown. It's looking like a black, but it's dark brown. Okay. Washing it. Then taking the normal brown shade and paint it from down. Try to blend in between. Like this. Standing strokes while blending. The partition line is not visible now. Okay. And then at last, I will take yellow ochre, or you can take normal yellow or a lemon yellow. And I'm adding a highlight only for the half part from down, like this, so that the eyes will look realistic. See, I'm using yellow ochre from down and giving it a slight blend in between. That's it. Check it. What we have done first, dark brown color from top. Yes, Eklavya, you can start. Everyone. Yes, Shlok. Okay, Shlok. No worries. I'm doing the second eye in the same way. Dark brown color first from top. Washing my brush, taking the normal brown shade, half of the part. Try to blend. Very good, Arya. Arya, for the second eye, make it slightly dark, the color. Don't forget to use yellow or a yellow ochre down. Very nice, Tanishri. Yellow ochre is the main color, or a yellow from down. Ishwar, first from top, half of the part with dark brown, then normal brown, and then yellow ochre just for the down part. That's it. Very nice, Arya. Good. Check that you're leaving the white part as it is, the highlighted part. Okay. Then you can paint the lips either with pink or red. I'm going to go with red. Crimson. Primary red also you can take. Don't leave any white space. Very good, Tanushree. Almost done, everyone. The last part is going to be the blowing part that we are going to do here. So check that you're ready with your straw or the pen. Before that, show me your work. Then we will start. Good, Alia. Good, Shlok. Ayush. Nice work, Ayush. Nice blending. Shambhavi. Good. Nice, Kuber. Vedika. Good job, everyone. So I will be using this pen. Just remove the front and the back part of it. So you can blow it, blow the color. Yes, Vanya, 10 minutes more. Good, Agrita. Tanushree, Prerna. Okay, now observe. We have to use different colors on sides. We have to place the drops first and then we will use straw or this funnel type and we have to blow it. Okay, let's do it, everyone. Now here we have to use water more. Then only we will get effect. See, I'm first showing it on the rough paper. I'm adding water in the color. You have to place some drops like this. And then you have to use your straw or this to blow. Like this, okay? Let's do it, everyone. Let it get blend with other colors, no problem. Come on. Take any color of your choice. First, I'm starting from top. You can take similar color. So here there is light blue, so I'm taking dark blue color. Adding some drops. And then blow it. Come on, everyone. Let's do it, everyone. You sure it's dark blue? I'm taking random colors. Everyone, once we are completed, don't forget to share your work, okay? Keep doing. You can go slightly on the face. Are you all doing it? slightly change the direction while blowing. Okay. Try to fill the white space. You have to use water, okay? Then only you will get effect. Come on. You can add some extra dots and then do it again. You have to complete the entire circle like this, okay? Continue. I'm taking some blue color here. Yes, Vedika. Good. Continue. Add some dark shades. If you don't have a straw or a pen, like a funnel, you can blow it directly also, okay? I'm using very diluted color, okay? You can rotate your book. Come on, everyone. I hope everyone is getting nice effect. Enjoy this process. Yes, Prerna. Very good, Arya. Okay, Prerna, you can complete and show me once you are done. Okay, share your work. Keep doing, everyone. Come on, Kuber. Using some green color. Come on, everyone. Okay, I'm done with this. The blowing part. Now, I'm going to use my permanent marker to make these lines dark slightly. The eyebrows, I feel that it's looking blur because the color is there on that. So I'm just going to trace it again. Make it bold. Those who haven't used permanent marker, once it is dried completely, use your normal black sketch pen. Okay. Don't skip this part. Because of this, now it's looking attractive. I will be waiting for your work, everyone. So do share. Okay. Also, let me know your feedback. I hope you are enjoyed it. Do show me your final work. Very nice, Vedika. Vedika, you can do some more on the blank space. Okay. Yes. Good, Shatak. Shatak, you can also add some more colors for the blank part. And don't forget to write your name and date. Very nicely done, Devna. Perfect. And I will be sharing its recording. So you can follow it again if you want. I will share it in the group. Okay. And soon the batch is starting for this age group 10 to 15. So if you wish, you can enroll for the batch. I've shared the artworks for that batch. So you can have a look. Come on, Lakshmi, Sachi. Very nice, Arya. Come on, Parth, Mishika. Okay, continue, Ayush. Good. So here our painting is done. Very nice, everyone. Very good, Devna. So I'm just showing the artworks for this age group batch. So you can just have a look. I'm just showing the artworks that I will be teaching in this batch. Oil pastel, watercolors, acrylics, mixed media, doodle art, pencil shading, and acrylic painting. So these are the artworks for this batch. It's starting soon. So you can message me for details. And do let me know your feedback, everyone. Just show me your final work. Very nice done, Shambhavi, Devna. Good, Arya. Done, Anurag. Well done, Sanvi. Good job. Everyone check their black lines. If they are blurred, make them dark. Okay, Ayush. Agrita, Lakshmi, Ronav. Very good, Tanushri. Devna. Ananya. Vallavi. Very good part. Well done. I'm waiting for everybody's work. Ananya, you did an amazing job. Perfect. Very good, Shatak. Yes, wishing you all happy Holi. Thank you for joining the session, everyone. I hope you liked your work. Thanks, Devna. Good, Ayush. Okay, everyone. So I'm ending the session here. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Wish you happy Holi. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye.